Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best treadmill for runners on a budget that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Semi-Hop Treadmill Desk with Wheels. If you're looking for an affordable and versatile treadmill accessory, this one might be for you. It's designed as a multifunctional standing table that can be used as a treadmill desk, bike trainer desk, or even a sofa workstation. The adjustable height feature allows you to switch between sitting and standing, which is great for reducing back and neck strain during prolonged use. Plus, its sturdy metal frame and MDF surface can hold up to 200 pounds, ensuring stability even under pressure. The design is compact, with smooth, 360-degree rotation wheels that make it easy to move around your home or office. With dimensions of 28 by 25 by 47 inches, it fits most treadmills and offers ample space for a laptop, books, or other essentials. It even includes thoughtful touches, like a recessed cup holder and towel rack. However, keep in mind that it's not a treadmill itself. Rather, it's an accessory to enhance your experience. While it's not a high-performance fitness tool, the Semi-Hop Treadmill Desk is perfect for those who want to combine work and fitness without breaking the bank. This product is ideal for casual users or those with limited space. Its pros are affordability, portability, and versatility. But the cons include its limited functionality as an accessory rather than a treadmill. Overall, it's a great budget option for multitaskers. At number 4, we have the Funray Versatile Walking Pad Treadmill. This innovative product is designed for both fitness and relaxation, offering a unique dual function of treadmill and foot massager. The foot massage feature mimics the feeling of walking on soft pebbles, making it a great way to unwind after a workout or a long day. With its customizable modes, including walking, jogging, massage, and even dog running, it caters to a wide range of users, making it a versatile addition to any home gym. The build quality is impressive, featuring a robust alloy steel frame, anti-slip running belt, and a multi-point shock absorption system that protects your joints during workouts. It's compact and space-saving, with dimensions of 52.12 by 24.4 by 4.72 inches, and a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds. The dual-panel screen and remote control make operation seamless, while the 2.5 HP motor ensures reliable performance. When the armrest is extended, the treadmill reaches a maximum speed of 6.2 mph, making it suitable for both light jogging and moderate running. Overall, the Funray Walking Pad is ideal for users who want an all-in-one solution for fitness and relaxation. It's perfect for small spaces and offers excellent joint protection. The pros include its versatility, innovative features, and compact design, while the cons are its limited incline options and moderate maximum speed. If you're looking for a treadmill that offers more than just running, this one's a solid pick. Coming in at number 3 is the RaySpace 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad Treadmill. This treadmill is perfect for those who want to maximize their workouts in limited spaces. It features an 8% manual incline, which can increase calorie burn by up to 150% compared to a standard treadmill. Whether you're looking to lose weight or boost endurance, this incline feature makes your workout much more efficient. Additionally, the powerful 3.5 HP motor ensures smooth and quiet operation, making it ideal for apartments or shared living spaces. The compact design is a standout feature, allowing you to easily store the treadmill under a desk, couch, or bed. Despite its small footprint, it offers a spacious 36 by 15-inch running area with a 6-layer, non-slip belt and advanced shock absorption system to minimize joint strain. The LED display and FitShow app integration make tracking your progress easy, while the magnetic remote control allows for convenient speed adjustments. The RaySpace Walking Pad combines functionality and portability, making it ideal for users who value versatility and efficiency. Its pros include the incline feature, quiet motor, and compact design, while its cons are the limited running belt size and moderate maximum speed of 6 miles per hour. If you're a busy professional or a space-conscious runner, this treadmill is a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the WellFit Auto Incline Treadmill. This heavy-duty treadmill is designed for serious runners who need durability and advanced features. With a powerful 4.5 HP brushless motor, it supports speeds of up to 10 miles per hour and a maximum weight capacity of 500 pounds, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. The 12% auto incline feature is a game changer, allowing you to automatically adjust the slope for a more intense workout and increased calorie burn. The design is robust, featuring a spacious 55 by 20-inch running area and 8 shock absorbers to protect your joints. The LED display provides real-time metrics like speed, time, distance, and heart rate, while the built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you enjoy your favorite tunes during your run. The treadmill also comes with 12 preset programs, giving you plenty of options to customize your workouts. The WellFit Auto Incline Treadmill is perfect for dedicated runners who want a feature-rich machine. Its pros include the high weight capacity, powerful motor, and auto incline feature, while its cons are its bulky size and higher noise level compared to other models. If you're looking for premium performance on a budget, this treadmill delivers exceptional value. Finally, at number 1, we have the Horizon Fitness Folding Treadmill T202 model. This treadmill is a top choice for runners who want reliability and performance without sacrificing convenience. The T202 features a feather-light folding frame, making it easy to store between workouts while offering the sturdiness of a traditional treadmill. With a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and a 12% incline, it's perfect for both casual joggers and serious runners. The 60 by 20-inch running area provides plenty of space for comfortable strides, while the 3-zone variable response cushioning protects your joints during impact. The easy dial controls make adjusting speed and incline effortless, and the built-in Bluetooth speakers let you stream workout classes or music directly from your device. Additionally, the hydraulic folding system ensures that storage is hassle-free, especially for users with limited space. The Horizon T202 strikes the perfect balance between performance and convenience. Its pros include the large running area, high maximum speed, and ergonomic cushioning, while its cons are the slightly heavier build and higher price point compared to portable models. If you're looking for a treadmill that offers professional-grade features at a reasonable price, this one is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.